Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Uway Samla nong nong jaka Mawlai Mawroh Shillong. Haka arab kandai terik benai nai wieng Ejahar khat kandai. Ula Mudui daka Ejahar seki pulet daka bakno baka company NH Consulting Private Limited. Kalash Pyndonkam Bakla daka Kyrteng jung ban say yaka pisa naka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society. Usamla Gerald Samuel Duya. Bat usamla yalam pang lingdo. Haka jinga keren bakila psai kubor kila yatho bakila late ban tap kam hapo ka NH Consulting Private Limited na Delhi. Kabadani ka Shlam trikam hadem senyong hanong ba Shillong. Kat ba yakani ka kam kim shimla late tray satya namar ka jinga pher hakar kom siu uwe pat.
When this project came, I got a call from somebody, some person, and then they said that they needed trainers for training the trainees. So we applied for this for the post of trekking guide, and my friend here also the same. So, but we never did join the company or the firm or the training program because there was some issue with the salary. So I was offered another amount, well he was offered another amount. So basically we never joined this. But it came to our knowledge one fine day that they were using our names for I don't know what for exactly. The investigation is still going on. But we came that they submitted the appointment letters to the government along with our signatures. So actually, from our side, we never ever did submitted any appointment letter nor accept any appointment letter from them. And while on a conversation before starting the project, I got offered 30,000 rupees per month as the salary. Whereas my friend here, we are doing the same job where he got offered for 25k. So it came to our notice after we filed an inquiry to the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society. We received a mail, and also we asked them for giving us the evidence of the appointment letter where they did send. And we were a bit surprised because after we read the terms and conditions in the appointment letter, it was stated that the salary of 35,000 rupees was to be paid to the trainers, whereas we got offered 30 and the other 25. And also the most shocking thing is the signatures here. This is one of my application, and this is not my signature. And right here in the clause number 13, it says acceptance. If in case your above terms condition are acceptable and all, then the signature is here that I accepted. But this is solely not my signature. And also the same with my friend here. This is another one. This is mine. And here are some of the emails that we sent to MSSDS, and that they did reply with a positive feedback that we have. There is an appointment letter that has been submitted to the state government. Yeah, and investigation is still going on, but it's so far that I know it's dragging a lot of time. It's taking a lot of time, and I'll just let my friend here talk about his case as well, because my case is still under investigation while his case has been closed. I mean, it's on the process of closing. We filed an FIR.
When?
I think so. Let me check. This is in the month of March itself. Right after we received this email from MSSDS, I think so somewhere around March, maybe 12th or 13th of March, yes. And this is my FIR copy that I received from the concerned police station. And here is the statement of the FIR that they took. The statement that they took against my FIR, and this is the report that I get. Whereas my friend here never received anything.
Your friend also filed an FIR?
Yes, I did. Yeah. We did, but
on the same date or on March?
On March only. But the only thing is that my FIR was registered at Sardar police station, while his was registered at Ranjat PS, which is under the jurisdiction also of Norman Samla post.
And I find out a bit surprised also that we did file FIR at the same. Like, I don't know why they wanted to close my case. As for his case, the investigation is still active till date.
More about this training program, how to go about it, what kind of activities we will involve, and how about mobilizing the trainees and these other things. But then I applied for that post, I think so in the month of October or maybe September, August, like that. I can't clearly remember. But I think so, yeah, when I applied, because according to one finding in the statement, I mean, as per the police investigation, there's one finding that they found that one of the employees of NH consultancy was looking after the HR or maybe finance. I don't remember. He checked in Hotel Aura on the 17th, 18th, and 19th of October. I think so. But as per the findings, he checked in one of these dates, or maybe all the three also. So one of these dates were the dates that we submitted our CVs, and this is the format that they give for the CVs as well. This is their format.
This was last year.
Last year. Yeah.
October,
probably 17th, 18th, 19th, one of those days, because we were meeting these people in the Hotel Aura for submitting in the CVs and all. We got a few calls from some of our friends that joined the company. But then we don't really know what happened to them. They never did file an FIR, or maybe they filed, but that we don't know. But then they said that there is something that your name was used. I mean, your signature and all was forged. That's why I sent an inquiry.
For what purpose they use?
I think so, probably for withdrawing money. Because I'm not very sure. It's an appointment letter. So out here, it was said that your joining date would be on the 19th of November. But this I found on March 2019.
That is 18.
This is 18. The appointment letter is 19th. I was supposed to join on the 19th of November 2018. But the inquiry that I received was on March 2019, 11th March 2019. But we never joined. The thing is, we never joined. How come our signatures and paper and our names were sent to the state government? And this, when we joined, like I mentioned, when we submitted our CVs, it was on the month of October, somewhere in the mid-October. But we never decided to join because there was a problem with the salary. I mean, he offered me 30,000, whereas the same job that he'll be doing is offering him 25,000. So it makes no sense, right? Like, where's that other part of the money? Where's that other chunk is going? We don't know. And clearly here in this appointment letter, it's written 35,000 that they have to pay the trainers.